Mr. Gilbert, are you ready with Mr. Doherty?
Yes, he's ready to go.
This is file 24-93337FH. People be Dylan Doherty. Here for docket call. What's our status, Mr. Gilbert?
Your Honor, this matter has not been resolved, so I'm asking that the court put Mr. Doherty on to the trial docket.
Okay. I want to take down the necessary information to do this. All right, Mr. Doherty is not in custody. The over was some time ago. I think there was another case that was not a companion case, but a related case with another party. I think it delayed a lot of things here. What would be the estimated length of trial, Mr. Williams?
I think possibly 3 days.
Mr. McLennan?
We say 3.
All right, because you'll have to have medical testimony in this case then, correct?
Yes, sir.
Well, let's schedule this then for, I've got a 3-day block in the schedule, Wednesday, October 29 into the 30th and 31st. Any objection to that date from the people?
No, Your Honor.
From the defense?
No, Your Honor.
Give you 21 days to file witness and exhibit lists, 7 days before trial for jury instructions and verdict form. We should come back for a docket call, maybe the September 8th docket then?
That'd be fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
September 8th at 9:10 a.m. All right, anything further from the people?
No, Your Honor.
Anything further from the defense?
No, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Okay, Mr. Doherty, we'll see you next on September 8th for any last minute changes or pretrial issues that need to be resolved. And then your trial is scheduled to begin on Wednesday, October 29th. Have a good day. We also have Mr. Gilbert, a show cause, and we never did arraign people be Michaela Hayes. Is she present?
She is, Your Honor.
All right, this is file 25-93360FH. Counsel, you want to state your appearances, please?
Zachary McLennan on behalf of the people.
And James Gilbert here on behalf of Ms. Hayes.
All right, so as to the show cause for failing to appear for the arraignment, it looks like there was also a question about failing to test. Do you have any information before we go formally on that?
Yes, Your Honor. She was currently at Bear River, I believe it was Bear River counseling. She had called me the day before I believe it was a Monday. I think she had called me on Friday, but she was in treatment at that time.
Okay. Tested now.
I believe she is.
Mr. McLennan, any contrary information or objection to dismissing the show cause?
Well, Your Honor,
Pardon, Your Honor, if I may, Jeremiah Buffalo Wergo on behalf of the people. I am working a NA matter with Ms. Hayes, and I can verify you through that. She was at Bear River. She was testing. Got tests from her under that to show that she's testing clean.
Okay, I'll dismiss the pending show cause then. Let's arraign her on the case. Have you had a chance to review the charging document with her?
Yes, she is aware of the charging document, and also she will waive the reading.
All right, and how she wish to plead?
She's going to stand mute.
Hayes will enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf to, it looks like, a charge of manufacture of methamphetamine near a school or library. 2 counts of delivery of methamphetamine, 1 count of maintaining a drug house, and 1 count of use of methamphetamine. Is a forensic center referral requested?
It is not.
Estimated length of trial?
I believe that would probably be 3?
Three would probably be.
Worst case scenario, Your Honor, 3.
All right, is this appropriate for a docket call August 11, or do you want September 8?
I believe September 8th, Your Honor.
Any objection, Mr. McClellan?
No, Your Honor.
We'll schedule your docket call for September 8th at 9:20 a.m. Anything further from the people?
No, Your Honor.
From the defense?
No, Your Honor, thank you very much.
Okay, have a good day, Ms. Hayes.
Zachary McLennan on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. James Gilbert here on behalf of Mr. Wegerish, standing to my right.
All right, morning. Have you had a chance to review the pre-sentence report and recommendations?
We have, Your Honor.
Any additions, corrections from the defense?
Your Honor, the only thing we would ask is to define a little bit on page 2 where it's listed prior record. Under felonies, it says 6. What that is doing is that's counting what Mr. Wegerish, 4 felonies that Mr. Wegerish is serving time with over in Alpena currently. We just wanted to point out that those 4 felonies actually took place prior to the activity that happened in this file. So
You mean subsequent or?
no, prior. So this case actually happened before the 4 felonies that he was
Right.
charged with. Yeah. So yes, those 4 felonies
They are
happened
prior,
subsequent.
okay, they are prior convictions, but you just want me to be aware that
Correct.
the conduct posted.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
And that would be the only correction, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, and I'm not going to direct an actual correction. That's just some clarifying information for me, and I appreciate that. The guidelines were scored at 5 to 23 months. Any challenge to the scoring?
None on our part.
Mr. McLennan, any additions, corrections, or scoring challenges from the people?
Your Honor, a correction, this would be on CFJ-284A, page 13. Number 22 of 23, that's the offense for this case. I believe the offense date and the arrest date should be May 23rd of 2024.
That's this offense?
I also believe the sentence date should be today, July 20th.
Oh, yeah, that would have been, okay. Yeah, and that seems to be consistent with the offense narrative, Mr. Gilbert.
That is correct.
Okay, so Agent Lesky, if you can make those changes, the offense date and arrest date to May 23rd of 2024, disposition date would be today.
All right, let's talk about that. This hearing brought us a triple feature of courtroom updates featuring Dylan Doherty, Michaela Hayes, and Mr. Wegerish, each with their own twist, but all steered by Judge Aaron J. Gauthier's steady hand. First up, Dylan Doherty. His case, a pending matter involving what appears to be medical testimony, wasn't ready for resolution. His attorney, Mr. Gilbert, requested placement on the trial docket, and Judge Gauthier slotted him into a 3-day trial block in late October with a return for a September 8th docket call. It was a clean scheduling discussion, no drama, just logistics. The only brief mention of delay came from a related but not companion case that had slowed things down, which Judge Gauthier acknowledged without assigning blame, then came. Michaela Hayes, who was present for both a show cause and her formal arraignment. Things got a little layered here. She'd missed a prior court date, but her attorney explained she'd been in treatment at Bear River Counseling, and Assistant Prosecutor Jeremy Buffalo verified that independently she had indeed been testing clean. With that, Judge Gauthier dismissed the show cause, gave her credit for taking recovery seriously, and moved right into arraignment. The charges weren't light 2 counts of meth delivery, manufactured near a school or library, maintaining a drug house, and use, but her plea was entered as not guilty, with no forensic referral requested, and the case was placed on the September docket. Judge Gauthier kept the tone respectful and efficient, acknowledging the gravity of the charges while giving Ms. Hayes the due process she's entitled to. Last on the docket was sentencing for Mr. Wegerish. His attorney made an interesting clarification that the 4 felony convictions he's currently serving time for in Alpena actually occurred after the incident in the current file. So while those convictions count in the prior record score, they don't reflect a pre-existing pattern at the time of this offense. It was a technical point, but Judge Gauthier appreciated the nuance and noted it without altering the guidelines. The sentence range stood at 5 to 23 months. The prosecutor flagged a clerical error in the offense and arrest dates. Those were corrected to reflect a May 23rd offense with a July 22nd disposition. Again, Agent Lesky handled the updates with her usual diligence. The entire discussion remained composed, accurate, and focused on setting the record straight before imposing any sentence. Overall, the tone across all three cases was calm and procedural, with a clear sense of mutual respect among the court, the attorneys, and the participants. Judge Gauthier continued his pattern of being both firm and fair, making sure the legal details were accurate, hearing out defense clarifications, and giving each defendant the chance to be heard without passing unnecessary judgment. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read everyone.